Hello friends, in today's video we are going to see the classification of antiplatelet drugs or platelet inhibitors or antithrombotic drugs. For this we have to see this picture. There is this auntie and she breaks plates. So antiplate is antiplatelet drugs or platelet inhibitors. She inhibits the plates or breaks the plate, so platelet inhibitors. फर्स्टली जो आंटी हैं वो एक पार्क में जाएंगी. PAR and K is written in small, so पार्क में जाएंगी. वहाँ पे शी इज़ गोइंग टू ब्रेक द प्लेट्स, बट शी विल ब्रेक द प्लेट्स ऑन अ ऑटो विच इज owned by Vora. So Vora auto. So the drugs are, the park signifies PAR. K is antagonist. It resembles a cross. So antagonist. PAR antagonists are Vora, Vorapaxor, and Auto will give us Atopaxor. So these are the drugs under PAR antagonists. Now she is a big enemy of PDA, that is public display of affection. So instead of PDA, we are going to write PDE inhibitor or PDA inhibitor. So what she will do is, वो बोलेंगी कि राखी बांधो दी अपनी दीदी को दी प्यारी अनमोल. तो अनमोल जो ये रिश्ता है इसको निभाना है. सो दी इज दीदी, प्यारी और अनमोल. So instead of PDA we are going to write PDE. So the PDE inhibitors are, or the platelet cyclic AMP enhancers are, she will take CAMPs, she will enhance the CAMPs, that is CAMP enhancers, enhance to break more plates. So D Pyari Anmol is D-pyridamole is the drug. Now she also breaks plates on a box, or the next letter to B is C, so COX, and she washes it ASAP with a rin. ASAP with rin. So the drugs are, so box signifies thromboxane, thromboxane synthesis inhibitor, COX is COX inhibitors, and ASAP rin is aspirin. Now the another group is, she will break the plates and this will help with the increase in GPA of a student. So when a student is getting B grade in class in standard 2nd, he will improve, or he will get more grades or better grades in 3rd standard. That is, in 2nd he was getting B grade, so in 3rd, after the auntie breaks plates, he will get A grade in 3rd standard. So it will increase the GPA. And how she do it is, she will ban the trophy. So she pronounced trophy as Tirophy ban. What she says is ABC is mad, and she will increase the aptitude, or she will make the aptitude fab by washing it with Tide. So the GPA is going to tell us about GPA, and B grade in 2nd class and A grade in 3rd class is going to tell us about the subclass of drug, that is the GP. Instead of GPA we are going to write GP. 2nd class में B मिला था, 3rd class में A, antagonists. So the drugs are, ट्रॉफी को बैन किया था. ट्रॉफी, she pronounced trophy as Tirophy. So the drug is Tirophy ban. ABCD is mad. Instead of mad we are going to write as MAB. So ABC is, instead of S we are going to write X is. ABC is MAB, that is mad. ABC is MAB. और aptitude को fab करेंगे with, by washing it with Tide. So aptitude is apti, fab is FIBA, and Tide. So apti, FIBA, Tide is the drug. Now the other subclass is ADP. That is, the auntie is going to break plates when she sees your DP or a WhatsApp DP, that is the display picture. So the class is ADP antagonist. मगर इसमें अगर उनको प्यार दिखा और याराना दिखा, मगर प्यार होना चाहिए 2% एंड याराना शुड बी 12%. सो फ्रेंड्स एंड गर्लफ्रेंड्स में डिफरेंस, प्यार इज 2% एंड याराना इज 12%. सो रिसेप्टर एंटागोनिस्ट, दीज आर दी सब क्लास. इसमें रिवर्सिबल है एंड इरिवर्सिबल है. व्हाट इज रिवर्स? रिवर्स इज a can which is green in color, and what is inside the can is tea. So tea can of green color. So the drugs are which are under reversible, can green color. This shows the friendship part, that is the Y12, and this is the P2. So the friendship part or yarana part is can green color, Cangrelor, and tea can green color is Ty Cangrelor is the drug which comes under reversible ADP antagonist or P2Y12 receptor antagonist. Now comes the irreversible part, that is auntie will not allow you to change your DP if you are engaged. So the DP is irreversible. You can't change DP. When Praveen is in relationship with Ashwini, that is Prashu and girl. Ashu is the girl. So Prasugrel. So Prasugrel is the drug. Or when someone has kept their DP as Cleopatra girl. So Cleopatra is Clopidogrel, Grel is girl is Grel. So Clopidogrel or Grel. Or if one has kept the Cleopatra, the DP as the Cleopatra dining. So D is T, Cloppy is short form for Cleopatra, and dine is dine. So ticlopidine. So friends, these are the antiplatelet drugs. Thank you for watching.